Hello, my name is Jasper, and this is Jasper with KidFab. We're going to be using this program called Fusion 360 to make our logo for this channel. And this is actually my first time using it, but we learn by doing on this channel, so we're just going to make our logo. So we're going to make 2 wrenches like this. And one's going to say kid and one's going to say fab
Go
for
get it, Chase.
KidFab. So
How do you make lines?
it's just a line tool, really. But just drag and you can insert how long you want it to be, and you could like width and that kind of thing. Oh.
All right, where's the one you drew up on paper?
This is what it's gonna look like. Not exactly, or well, yes, exactly, but that's what it's gonna look like.
That's what we're going for?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. What do you think is going to be the hardest thing about this?
Probably putting the text on it.
Okay. You have a daddy that's going to show you all that stuff. Okay. So you make the box like we talked about. And then you're going to have the box end part of the wrench and then the open end part of the wrench, right?
Mm-hmm.
Use the circle tool. When you get that to there, remember to drag and drop. And then you can just push the number if you want to make it 12 inches.
Okay, there's 12 inches. It definitely needs to be skinnier though. Right there seems good.
So you're not actually doing a line there. That's just showing you how long the line is. You're gonna have to make a rectangle, right?
Mm-hmm.
So either hit L or use the line tool on top, and then make it a box completely or a rectangle. One thing we can do since you're working with ratios at school is we can go get an actual wrench, and if you have a wrench that's 10 inches long and 2 inches wide, you can think of the ratio of 1 to 5, and then you can apply that to the program, right?
Mm-hmm. So there's a wrench line. I made it a rectangle, so okay, so that's one piece. Alright, and then the other piece.
What I think we should maybe do, what you're learning by doing, and you're running the show here, is maybe make one, make it exactly how you want it, then you can just duplicate it or rotate it.
Okay.
And then you have 2 that are exactly the same, right?
Mm-hmm.
How about you tell all your loyal fans what you almost did to your daddy's foot today?
Crushed it with a tractor.
How'd you almost crush it with the tractor?
Lowered the box plate on the foot.
Don't talk to the computer, talk to me. Talk to the camera, what'd you do?
Lowered the box plate on his foot.
Oh, really? And what did we talk about after that? That's up there on the wall.
The man in the arena.
The man in the arena. And what does it say in the man in the arena?
I can't remember.
It talks about guys who are actually doing things, and people, not guys, but people who are out there doing it, doing whatever it is, right? Because you got your first job as a tractor operator the other day, right? And you got paid. We put the tractor on the trailer. Hey, we took it to a customer's house and filled in her
Pond.
Filled in her pond and leveled some area for her to put some trailers on, and you guys got paid. So that makes you the man in the arena. Sure, you might crush your daddy's foot. You might make some mistakes and crush, you almost hit the gate the other day, right? But you're out there doing, and that's what this channel is all about, right?
Mm-hmm.
Is showing kids that you can do no matter what you have. Even if you don't have a tractor, you got a shovel, right? If you don't have a shovel, how does Chase dig?
Hands.
With his hands, right? So that's just, I think, what we can maybe relay in this channel is how important it is to just go do, okay?
Mm-hmm. Alright, I'm trying to make a circle right here so we can put the end of the wrench on, but can't really figure that out.
I think one of the things we're also learning during this design part, actually we can maybe just talk freely, right? Jace is going to try to do some circle work, but it's how to edit, because there's going to be a lot of little time here where that's kind of in between, and you can kind of do some edits, maybe add some music and add some flavor to your channel maybe, right? And then, so that's going to be the center of the circle, right? So if you make the center, and if you make the circle, then you can maybe just drag it too, okay?
Do you think that's how wide it should be? 5 inches?
This is Fusion 360. It takes a little bit of time to learn, but we like learning in this house. If you hit trim or you hit T, oh, there we go. You picked it, and
Make it smaller so you can delete it.
so your daddy's a little bit impatient, and he likes to just delete it and start again. But you guys can figure out which way you want to do this on your own, okay?
Okay.
Remember, when you make a circle, the center of the circle is where you click. So make the center where, there you go.
How you do that? No. You need to create a circle first. And then click like right there. Okay, not exactly, but okay. Don't you want it 5 inches? Just click 5.
Who said the man in the arena?
Teddy Roosevelt?
What president was he?
The president.
What number? Do you remember? He was number 24. President number 24. And he gave a lot of good speeches. What else did he do?
He freed a bear that his friends tied up to a tree.
Why do they call that? What did they call that bear after that?
Teddy.
The teddy bear, right? Another good thing we think about Teddy Roosevelt a lot is that he opened up a lot of public land, like the Gila that we like to go hunt, right? All right, get back to fabbing. Let's see.
So on this circle, I'm trying to.
Why'd you put 12?
I don't know. It just seems like a reasonable length.
No, but I mean, when you hit 12, what does that mean?
12 inches long.
Okay, you set your parameters in inches, and so when you drag a line and you want it to be a specific length, you just put the number and hit enter, and it makes that line that length, right? Now you make that rectangle by connecting all them. You used the wrong tool. That's another thing we'll learn on this channel, is the right tool for the job, right? Hit escape, hit L. That'll get you straight to the line, and that makes a straight line for you. Another thing to consider when we're building things like this is you're going to show all these people who are watching you all the things, how many times it takes you to learn, right? And that's okay. Some people learn faster than others. Jace likes to break stuff. What are you breaking down there, boy?
Yeah, right. You're always breaking stuff. There's no way you're not breaking anything. Let's see how big that is. That sounds good. How do we make that like an actual piece?
What do you mean? How do you make a piece?
You haven't made that wrench a rectangle. That line that's black is not an actual line. It's just showing you the length. You've made about 3 lines on that one.
Well,
The only one you need to finish is the one that says 12. That's a black line. It's only telling you the distance. There you go, Jason. There you go. See how it turns blue? Now it's an actual component.
Okay, so now we need to add the circle up here.
Yeah. Remember how to drag the canvas? You should probably drag it down so you have it right in the middle. Click the scroll wheel and drag. There you go.
And then I forgot how to carve into it.
Remember, we hit the just use the line tool and start right about a little higher. Right, no, too far. Right there, maybe. Click, drag. Right there, maybe not that far in. It's okay. There.
What the heck? What just
Put that one
happened?
up there. Put your this one. Move the mouse. Here. Could do the thing.
Do you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Right. So what I would do if I was you is hit escape to get out of the line tool, hit T, get rid of these little extra lines that don't really help us out a bunch. Okay? That's because that's how my brain works. I want to be able to see exactly what I'm working with. Scroll in. So you got some extra lines here. Little feather right here. We can leave that little feather alone. This guy's just a rando hanging out there, okay? So, line tool or L right here. Then you go across about the same distance, about the same distance. Now, hit T for trim.
And then
Ah, there's a box and wrench, right? But when we also talked about was using this tool and zoom in real close. Click, 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 clickety-doo, clickety-doo, click. Now, hit trim. Rid of these guys. Now you get a smooth corner. Okay, escape out of that guy. See how it looks like a wrench now? On that side anyway. Now you're gonna do this side with this tool, okay?
is it this tool?
It's that one. Zoom in so you can make a nice smooth corner. And it doesn't have to be perfect because when you cut it out with the plasma cutter, we can put a thing called smoothing. You look like you had too much beers and you're driving down the road. What's up with that, boy? Now hit escape. We'll show you we'll show you a little fan. Oh, do it again. And you got to connect it to that other line, okay? And that'll make it an object. Oops. You're doing it the hard way, but that's okay. Hit enter. Now you can grab those and drag them where you want them. Those individual little black dots to make it a smooth line. Let Jace give Jace a shot because I think you're doing it backwards, Jasper.
Ow.
Let Jace see if he can.
Can I delete this?
Here.
Papa?
Yeah, you can trim it if you want and try.
Trim T. No.
Mm-hmm. When it turns purple, that means you can trim it. Okay. So now, there you go. You gotta sing the clickety-doo song. That's a rule. Click, click, clickety-doo. Like Happy Gilmore. Okay, hit enter.
Done. Oh.
Now what you can do, let me show you another little trick. Yeah, click those and drag them. Just take them to the right just a little bit, each one of them, and that'll make it a smooth line, okay? See how it's kind of And the closer you zoom in, the less sensitive it is. If that makes sense. If you zoom way in, you can move it in little smaller increments. There you go. Keep going right. There we go. Perfect. And click the scroll wheel.
This?
No, the scroll wheel on your finger.
This?
Nope, this guy right here. Click it and drag it.
Oh.
There you go. Drag it a little more right. Now, cool, perfect. Now get that one and join him with the line. Because if you don't join him with the line, there you go. Now it won't make, now when you delete those back ones, it will delete the whole thing. It won't delete the whole thing rather. So now try and
What?
trim
Trim where?
that corner, that sharp corner to the right.
This one?
Yep, hit T.
Make it a straight edge.
There you go. Now zoom out. There you go. See, that's a smoother edge. Smoother corner, rather. Looking good. We're getting there.
Alright, now we just need to duplicate it.
Well, you gotta put,
We
yeah,
have to still
maybe
have to,
we're gonna have to do some trimming too. Let me see.
we have to do it down.
Yeah, so what we can do is I would say not trim that, but trim this, because then that now, and I'm gonna move this
And
line.
then shouldn't you put
Maybe hit select. This guy, move him in a little bit. Okay.
since you move, yeah.
And then move this guy like here. Oh, what's this guy doing way out here? Oh my gosh! Now hit undo. Okay.
That one.
Oh, we're gonna hit T. A little teamwork. Get rid of this weirdo. And this weirdo. And this weirdo. There we go. Now when we zoom out, that looks like a wrench to me. If you hit
Can you
escape.
click out?
Mm-hmm. Escape. Another escape. Way up in the top left. The northwest corner. This guy,
Do you
maybe
make like a
drag
circle?
him
Make a circle.
to where he's kind of centered. Yeah, exactly. And then you make a circle inside of him,
So we put delete.
right here. Boom. And now,
Um,
we do some trimming. Hit T. We don't need this guy. We don't need this guy. That guy, good. Good call. Now, it's starting to look like a little bit of a wrench, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
You guys are doing great.
we could put little lines.
Now, check this out. Create text. Basically, draw a text box. Here to here, click. Oh, crud. Now I go backwards. I didn't draw a text box. I'm just going to draw one out here in the open so we can kind of put it, and then we'll move it when we do it. Okay. I'm not real good at the spelling. How do you spell kid?
CID. Kid.
With KID. Let's use,
SAD.
I just used this in a project yesterday, so let's use it. Let's use Sitka text. Let's just use Sitka bold. Now, you see kid way up here in the corner?
Yeah.
Tiny. How big do you want it? Let's make it,
60.
let's just make it 1 inch and see what happens. That's too small. Okay, click on it. Let's edit. I messed up. Edit text. Let's make it
2. 1.5.
4. See what happens. There we go. That's too big, huh?
Yeah.
How about 3?
2.
3. Wait, is that 2?
2 looks good.
Then that's
Okay, 2 looks good. So we're gonna rotate it.
I like 2.
I don't know how we drag it. Let's see. Maybe by the center one.
Just grab not even a dot.
Learn by doing.
That's right. Maybe we should have. Let's trim this whole thing. God, I can't do it.
It won't trim.
There we go. That look about right?
Yep.
Then what we're gonna do?
Do the shrink too.
Right click it, explode text, boom. Now you got the KID. That's a kid wrench. And I think if you select all, which you just basically click and drag, now we have one whole piece. Can we duplicate it? Copy maybe? Fix, unfix. And well, let's extrude it rather. Hit 0.15, Jace. 0.15. Or 0.25. That's a 1/4 inch.
Point.
Okay. You just extruded it. What's that mean?
What?
Check this out. You hit this guy. Now it has some depth, right? See how it has like a thickness to it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh God, I'm so confused now. Which way's up? Okay. Now, what we're gonna do, I think we're gonna trim out this little center section. I don't know if we can. Oh, where'd it go?
Keep going. Trim out like the ends.
To make it, I don't know how to.
I think you can only trim
Oh,
lines.
I think we did.
We just need the fab wrench now.
Okay, so we're gonna select it all. We're gonna see what we can do about duplicating it. I don't know how to do that. Let's try move copy. Oh God, what happened to it? It's gone. All that work.
Oh, there it is.
I think we like make it a group or something. Let's see. Cool, we fixed it. It's like one complete deal. Now, we copy. We're gonna figure this part out because I don't know how to do this yet. So, here's the move copy little guy. I don't want to move, I want to copy it.
Move out.
Yeah, but that's just to grab it and drag it. And I think what we need to do here as well is create a hole in this guy. I saw that tool a little while ago. Where was it? There it is, this guy. Actually, you know what? When we cut that out, it'll just fall out. It's not a big deal. Oh, gosh. Okay, let's see. Okay, Jace, what you're going to do is go through all these and hover your mouse over them and see if any of them are anything we need. Maybe configure, insert, modify. Is there a copy in here? There's a move copy. Let's read what it says. What does it say, Jay? What does it say, boy?
Move the selected face, body, sketch, or
Construction,
construction.
geometry,
Geometry is
specified.
specified, distance or angle.
Okay. So that one doesn't really, I don't know why it says move copy, but I don't see any copy in there, right? So I think what we need to do is find, this is all create, right? Let's see. We selected it. Maybe when we right click, what does it say? Sketch. I don't see anything there. We'll go back up to the previous menu. Copy, maybe? Now, there's a paste button. We have two of them, I believe. Look at that.
There it is. Two
Now,
wrenches.
yep, 2 wrenches. We figured it out by doing.
We just need a
Now what's the problem?
There's two
They
kids.
both say kid. There is two kids, two ugly ones right here. They both say kid, and they overlap each other. So maybe we're gonna need to move where they intersect farther, and also moved the text, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh no, what did I do?
Oh no. There we go.
Almost made it a fat bottom wrench. Okay, now we'll do a paste again. Oh God, what the heck?
There's a draw tool.
Oh, we're gonna select it again because we learned how to copy and paste. Boom. Let's do copy. I think paste was still there. Oh gosh. And then pasty. Okay. Now we're gonna drag this little feller. Rotate him.
Oh, don't we have to do the kid? Oh,
Yeah, what I'm saying is maybe this. Like this. Get this guy out of the way. Rotate him some more until it looks good.
I think we should move him more that way.
I know, why am I doing this? You do it.
So do you just move it? How do you move it?
That center hole. That little guy right there. Grab him and drag him. There you go. And it's okay if you want to cross them in the center, because all we gotta do is move the text, right, to somewhere else.
Yeah. Like right there.
Maybe.
Yeah, but did that look good?
What I think.
No.
Yeah, try it out. Now click out of it. Hit enter.
Do this kid and then this fab.
Now, right click on that text if you can. Or hit the lock. I think that might be constrained. It might be, see a little lock directly above? The red lock? I think it might be locked. There you go. Now try to click on just the text. Right click on the text. Oop, I think you're going to lock it. Here, unlock, hit the lock again. Or righter. Right there, almost. There you go. Now, nope, click on it again. None. Try to just click into the, click in here. There you go, now you're out of it. Now right click on the text.
Isn't it?
Try to select the text. Drag from right here to right here.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
See if it'll just select the text. Nope, it's selecting the whole ranch. Zoom way in. Now you can probably trim it out.
Trim what?
All the text, and we'll put another text box.
Oh, okay. Wait. Didn't it say like
T for trim.
edit text?
Did you see an edit text?
No. Just
That's gonna take a long time. Let's try to just, I mean, I guess you can do it that way. There's gotta be a better way. Oh, let me see. Try to figure something out here. What you should be able to do is select a lot of things at once.
it takes something.
And the, let's see, freeform selection. I don't know. Okay. Delete on the keyboard. Oh, we're getting there.
Then we could just trim it off.
Delete. That might be a little better way to do it. Still probably not the ideal way, but it's a way.
Jace,
delete,
Jace,
click delete.
how much do you think we're gonna sell these for? What do you think?
I think your first one, go ahead, is learning how to do it. Then if you know somebody says, hey, I'd like to have one of those logos, that's cool. I want to hang it in my room, then you work that out. And then we'll talk about pricing and how do you figure it out, because we got to figure out how much is steel, how much is your work, your time worth, and stuff like that. And then how much is your daddy charging you for it? All right, drop another text box in. This is a 30-minute video.
Create, I think that's
Just move your I can't see. Okay, so do we just make it like
so the
out?
that was 2. Yeah, so just make it out there and then make that
I'm
2.
trying to make it out here with this one.
Yeah, you just draw a box, drag and drop. Just like with a mouse.
Okay, just put it.
Move your finger, please.
Put fab. And then
That's not.
no uppercase.
I know. I'm holding shift. Oh, caps lock. Okay.
Fab. Okay.
Just move your fingers.
Go down there to the 1 inch.
We're also going to learn some teamwork, aren't we?
Make it 2 inch. No, just do that.
Just move your finger. Alright. Okay, how do I? Hello? How do I rotate? That's not right. It won't let me rotate it.
Right click in the center button. Move copy. Click there you go. Oh, you're rotating the wrench.
No.
Clicked on the wrong feller.
No, that's not
Jeez, you have really good eyeballs. Use them. You don't have to. There you go. Boom. Perfect. Now hit click out of it or hit enter.
Finish.
And then right click on it.
Wait, wasn't it?
Explode text.
Text.
Kid Fab. Zoom out. I think that looks pretty awesome.
What does the B? I mean the D have a bunch
Now
of
what
dots
you gotta do, oh no, what's up?
Why does the D have a bunch of dots on it?
I don't know. I think it's just how it's drawn by the program. Cool, dude, you made your first logo. Now, top right, if you like it, finish sketch. What do you think, man?
I like
Click out of it.
It's
Just
good.
click in the, yeah, maybe. I want to see it as like one whole, oh, you know what we need to do? I forgot. No. Trim out those lines on the right of the D and the left of the F because it'll cut those lines if you end up cutting it, making it into a program.
Okay, so
T.
and right here.
That whole box, not, yeah. You kind of want this to be,
Nope, not the whole thing.
hit T. And then when hover your mouse over it, when it turns purple, trim it out. Perfect. That way the plasma cutter won't cut those lines. It'll make it. There you go. Well, still, you got one more.
Still 2.
There you go. Zoom out. That looks pretty awesome, boy. Now you can finish sketch. Save. And tell the poor people that lasted 34 minutes here. I think we might have to edit some of this.
Yeah, probably.
What do you think? What'd you learn there?
That this
Hey.
program is it's pretty hard to do it on your first try, but if you'll get used to it after a couple uses, and it's just yeah. All right, this is our logo, and I think we're about finished. Are we gonna?
Now we'll make another video on how to turn it into a G code to send to the plasma cutter. Good job, son. Good job, boy.
Bye.